on Muffin Tube, and today I will be teaching you how to make an origami fortune teller. So, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. All right, let's start building. All right, the first thing you need to do to fold an origami is flip over the paper and then you fold it like this. Increase it and unfold, and then fold it down like this. And once you're done with that, unfold it again and then fold the corners down to the middle on all of them. Fold this down. And fold this down. And then this one. And then the last one. Once you're done with that, flip it over and do the exact same thing, but this time you don't have to fold it. Just fold it straight to the middle. In each corner. And once you're done with that, flip it over and then you fold it in like this, and then like this and this. Then you unfold it, and then the other way, and then this and this. Once you're done with that, that'll help it take the shape of fortune teller. Once we're done with that, you can take this out and do this. Take everything out and go like this. Alright, so here's what you do when you're done folding your fortune teller. This is our done one, so we're using this one because it already has all these things on it. Alright, so when you're going to use your fortune teller, you're going to show it to a buddy and say, pick a color. Pretend they pick, let's just say yellow here. And then you go Y-E-L-L-O-W. And then you say, pick a number. Let's just say they pick 2. So you go 1, 2. And then, once they pick the number, you open it up, and then you open and read the fortune. This fortune is, you will get a pair of pants. That's what I wrote on this. So, and then if they get a different one, like pretend they wrote, you got this one. You will get a dog. And there's one silly one that says, sugar! Oh yes. And then you will get a pair of pants, you will get a dog, and you will get a Nintendo Switch. Those are my fortunes. So, that is how you make and use your fortune teller. Sorry I didn't mention this inside the video, but here's where you put the colors. So you put them on each one. You put one here, one here, one here, and one here on each square. And you flip it over and put the numbers in each triangle. Right here, 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 and right here. And then once you're done with that, here's where you put the fortunes. You flip up the flap and then you write it down here on each one. Yeah. And that's where you put the colors, numbers, and fortunes. See you next time on Muffin Tube.